Hi everyone, Krishna this side. So I welcome you all to this channel. I have taken entry in the Bank Nifty and let's analyze the trade. I ended up losing the trades. I have taken multiple entries and that caused me taking a loss that was crossed the limit. So let's analyze the trade first. In day time frame, if we look into the market, right? So I thought like market open gap up and I thought it may come downside a bit, and after taking after making the sellers that it will fall, then it will start moving upside, but that's not how it happened today. And if we look into the 5 minute time frame also, right, so I saw that it has opened and it has a week that needs to get filled up, but market actually filled the previous day's week and it started moving upside. So I thought that this week will get filled up and then it will get started moving upside, and I was thinking that the market may come, it will drop from here to here till this area at least. Okay, and even if we draw from here to here, right, so this is a area which I was thinking that market may come here and then it start bouncing in the upside, but that is not something it worked, that the thought process. And if we look into the 1 minute time frame, right, so I have taken entry at this point, thinking that market falls from here, and if it breaks this level, I was like it is not going to come downside again. So that was clear idea for me for in the first time, and I just have took very less quantity, and once it broke this area, right, then I somehow started losing my emotions. I started losing my patience in the market. I thought like I should take average here. If I see red candle, then it broke this area as well, and then it is like I thought if market reaches to this area, then I'll be averaging into the trade, and maybe a small retracement happen, then it will fall, because there was no, logically if we look right in the upside, there was no SLs available. So I was like completely in a biased view. The view was biased. I was thinking that market may fall from here or from here. So those questions started popping up into the mind, and I started losing my patience. I should have taken exit here itself the moment it reached 1.6 and got broken up. But then when it reaches this area, I averaged here and my SL was completely above this area, and that was completely fine. Like it was just 50 point SL after averaging into the trade, and what I saw is like it started moving downside, and when it took a retracement, I thought now it will definitely fall. So this complete biased view, there should we shouldn't have this biased view any time into the market. That will take us to big losses for any day. So SL was above this area. If it breaks, then it will start moving upside. So that's how it worked basically. So this it reached this area and my SL got hit, and it was just waiting here itself. So I was like, it may fall here again. So that view shouldn't be there. If our SL got hit, we should close our setup and we should accept the loss. But again, I re-entered here, keeping a small 10-11 points of SL above this area. So if it breaks this area, then I'll not going to take any further trades. So it started moving in the downside, and it took the SL, the second trade's SL. So I ended up losing this both the trades, and I shouldn't have taken this re-entry into the market. It is like an over trading for me nowadays. So this is the loss that I have taken. It is I mean around 6,500, and if we add brokerage and all, it may go further higher, because I have taken multiple entries. At 169 I have taken my first position. I averaged it at 117, and my SL was at 83, which is like 50 points from here. Then again re-entered at 84, and SL I kept towards at 73, which is like 12 points of SL, and that caused me losing this much of amount into these trades. So that is all about this trades, and I think I should have quickly exit when I saw this candle itself, right? So it is like once we see market is not expecting as per our way, we should quickly close from our setup, and we should just we should just keep eye on the market. But yeah, sometimes this happens. I don't know, like when I'll be working on my this behavior, it is like very often it happens with me, and common mistakes that happen from me very oftenly. So yeah, that is all about these trades, and I hope I'm not sure if you get any learning or learning from this trade or not, but yeah, definitely we shouldn't take any entry after we see that it is not going into our way. The market is not behaving as per our expectation. The re-entry was a bit worrying sign for me. The SL was fine, like 50 point of SL is pretty much acceptable in the Bank Nifty. That is logical SL, but re-entry was not logical at all, because we may get trades in the next day, but we don't know like how market will behave. I was just having a thought process. There is no SLs in the upside, so market may not go in the upside. But if we look here into the 15-minute time frame, all these are sellers only here, and that completely I missed here. So these are mostly the sellers who created their big positions into this area, right? Their SLs were completely in the upside. So that is because of that the market started moving upside and cut their SLs. So in the second half, maybe it fall, but that is not again sure. It may take in this after 11 only. It may come in downside and it starts moving in the upside. I'm not seeing any downside view, but yeah, there should be some retracement, and after the retracement, it should start moving in the upside. So that is something what I am thinking after these losses. But yeah, let's see how this trade goes further. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. Bye.